This is Brittany with WTI, and beanie season is the best season. Am I right? Okay, so if you are looking for a beanie, this is gonna be your absolute favorite slouchy beanie. So I have a large noggin, okay? And I also have fluffy hair, so it's a whole thing. So finding a beanie that's actually slouchy on me, not an easy feat. This one, best fitting. It is so good. You can wear it like at least 3 different ways. You can either do it like this, nice and slouchy, where you scrunch the back, or you can also fold it and like pull it down more like a normal hat, or you can even like wear it a little further back on your head. So many different options that you have for it. And it is nice and warm without being too warm, because it's double layer, but it does not have a thick lining inside of it. So it doesn't overheat you either, but it is nice and cozy warm. Nice stretchy knit, so comfortable. It's so versatile because since it is the perfect amount of warmth, you can wear it for almost any occasion. It works for indoors, outdoors, whatever you want it for. And the black is by far my most worn color for the beanie as well. I absolutely adore these beanies. All my friends always try to steal it off my head. Love this so much, and I know you will too. And that's my point of view.